Hey everybody, how you doing? This is JB, Friendly Chevrolet, your friend in the car business. And I wanted to do a little tip of the week. And the reason I wanted to do that is because the car buying process can already be so stressful. And there's so many different pieces of the puzzle that if you're not careful, you can actually get taken advantage of from some places. So what I wanted to do is just kind of put together a few tips of the week. And my tip for this week was be aware, be informed whenever you come to a dealership. That means basically know where your credit's at, have an idea what kind of money you want down, and also kind of look at what's in your budget. Don't let anybody move you from whatever your budget is. So those are three little pieces of being aware that you want to make sure you do. Not everywhere you go are you going to have a friend in the car business like myself who wants to see to it that you're completely satisfied. So whenever you're doing shopping for a car, like I said, it can be so confusing with the different interest rates, different pricing, all over the place. Make sure you're well informed before you go to that next step. And if you need any info, if you need to contact somebody who's knowledgeable, over 25 years in the business, call me, 612-910-6173. I'll be more than happy to walk you through some of the steps. Hey, whether you're buying a car from me or buying it from my competitor, I don't care. I just want to see, if you're watching this video, I just want to make sure that you're getting a great deal on your vehicle. Again, my number is 612-910-6173. JB, your friend in the car business, Friendly Chevrolet.